Hey, no. That's the wrong way to start. How do you say afternoon? Wotenga. I need to go get my lessons on. How are you doing, my brother?
I'm fine.
You know, when I saw the name, I said, nah, man, this is a brother, man. This a brother, man. Everything good?
I'm good.
Your financial business is out there, right?
Yes, sir.
Of course. I have Abby. Abby, how you doing?
Very fine.
Okay, but my brother, whom I just tried to speak a broken Fafra with or growing with, is Amwa Ayim Pusa Dennis, and he is a customer experience executive. That's a big portfolio. Before you go, do me show.
I've got you coming.
And then Abigail Day Kwe is head of human capital. There's human in there, so she's got a more human face to this whole thing. So how are you doing, lady and gentlemen?
We're doing well.
Where are we departing from the name we used to know? I mean, quick. Well, everyone would think that should be quick for us. So we're getting used to that name, and then we have to wake up to this other beautiful name, Bills. I want to know, our listeners want to know. Since I started talking about it, people have reached out and go like, are you sure it's the same quick people? I say, yes. Now, Bills, the name is more bougie now. Please, you are of human, so tell me about it, Abigail.
So
why did it become necessary?
So it has become necessary for us to change to the name from Quick Credit and Investment Microcredit Limited to Bills Microcredit, because currently the name Quick Credit has become a product name for some financial companies. Again, we have the name investment in our name, but per the license given to us by Bank of Ghana, is basically for lending, and so we don't do investment. So to align or correct that, there has been the need for us to change the name. In addition to that, we have changed the model of our operation, and so to give it a new touch, we have to come up.
That will interest people who are listening right now a lot. You have changed what? Tell us about it. What is the change? We want to know the change.
We have changed the model of operation. Yes, okay. And right now we have one thing that we basically want to focus on.
Yeah.
And so to align with the direction we want to go now, has called for a change in the name.
What will the new Bills be doing now? Or let me say, what do you do proper now? We need to know the diversion or the departure from the original, the first name, not original necessarily, to the new one. Abigail is trying to give us an update on why the need. But if someone asks, what do you do? If someone is hearing the name for the first time, probably even know, let's forget about the first name. Even this new name, the person is hearing it for the first time. What do you do? What does Bills does?
Thank you for that question. So we simply lend money, as we have been doing over the past 15 years and counting. We are licensed and we are regulated by the Bank of Ghana. We serve out various products to individuals based on the work you do. We have 4 main products, which are emergency loan, our startup loan, our salary loan, and then our working capital loan. Our working capital loan we give to business owners who are looking to scale up their businesses. Our startup loan we give to individuals who have a business idea and are looking to start, or other individuals who already are in business and due to 1 or 2 reasons have had their businesses being collapsed. We are here to support them to start up. Thirdly, we have our salary loan, which we give to salary earners. Our emergency loan also we give to some salary earners who do not meet the requirements for our salary loans, and anyone at all in an emergency. So let's say you have an emergency to sort out bills for your hospital, bills for a funeral, bills for weddings. We've got you sorted. All you need to do is to pick up the phone and call our customer experience center on 0302 200 390, 0302 200 390, or 059 69 20 833, 059 69 20 833.
We'll come back to the numbers bit, because for me it's the golden part of this conversation, and we'll slow down on it. Again, you're saying we are so used to, let me say, of businesses of this nature. Okay, would say that you should have you should be on the accountant general's, payroll. In essence, you should be a government worker. And when people who are not government workers hear this, they feel like left out. Are you saying that when it comes to bills, It doesn't matter. You don't necessarily have to be on the Accountant General's payroll for anyone, especially in the emergency situation.
Exactly, sir.
We want to hear this again. I want to be sure I heard right, and our listeners
Exactly,
will
sir.
be excited.
All you
about
need
this.
for a loan is a valid national ID card. For now, it's your Ghana card or your voter's card.
Okay.
That is all.
Okay. Yes.
In addition to that, you have to be 18 and above.
You have to be 18 and above. Oh, mommy smiles, but you discuss it. So you have to be 18 and above. But the good news is, listeners, if you're there, I know if I say open phone lines today, people will be excited, especially about the bit where you don't need to necessarily be a government worker or to be on the Accountant General's payroll to be able to access such a facility from bills. I think I personally I applaud you guys, because this is what we've been waiting for. It's a big vacuum that needed to be filled, and here you are, and just at the right time. But you know, one will ask, what impact has QC, we can call you, and on its client and the community at large? What would you say, bills, the impact it has had on individuals, businesses? I know there should be some attestations to that. What are some of the things people are saying out there? Beneficiaries. I wouldn't mind. I wish we had their voices here to play, or can call a few of them. But you are here. So you tell us, what are they saying? Have we seen businesses change for the better? Have we seen individuals smiling now with less worries on their faces? What has, the beneficiaries saying out there?
So there have been massive impacts. One is that we have empowered over 450 clients, for which we disburse to 15,000 clients on a weekly basis.
15,000?
Yes, on a weekly basis. And then, we have our footprint all over Ghana now. And in these various communities, we have recruited over 1,500 employees. Aside that, too, when it comes to the supply chain value too, we have engaged other third parties that are working with us, and this has also helped in the growth of their businesses as well.
Wow. First of all, you're giving monies out to how many people in a week?
15,000
And
weekly.
what is your vetting process? Is it so rigorous?
No.
Or it's so...
So at Quick Credit, now Bills Microcredit, we don't take susu, we don't take deposits. You don't need to have investment with us. You don't need even an account with us to transact business with us. Like I said earlier, all you need is to be 18 and above, and then you have your Ghana ID card.
I am wondering, then how do you secure your own selves? We should leave that worry to you. We should leave that worry to you.
Come again.
We should leave the worry of how you are able to, do your collections back. Because it's intriguing to hear that you give such an amount out almost every week.
Yes. So then Quick Credit, we used to do both lending and recovery.
Okay.
But now with bills financing your needs, we only do lending.
Okay.
However, when it comes to the recovery side, which you are worried for us, we have outsourced that to a private company. They are professional debt recovery organization, and they are solely in charge of all our recoveries.
And we are talking about employment that has been created, as many as
over 1,500
across the country.
Yes.
So in every region, 16 now. It used to be 10.
Yes.
16 regions. One can find an office or two of Bills Microcredit.
Exactly.
Across the 16 regions, because we have listeners all over the place.
Yes.
Wow. And let me tell our listeners, you don't need any of the following. You don't have to be saving with quick now bills. You don't need to be an account holder. They are a lending facility, so you don't need that. You don't need to do susu with them. All you need is your Ghana card, and you make sure you are 18 years and above. What's more, my brother? There should be more you should tell us. Because for me, I'm excited already.
That is correct. So previously, before the COVID, we were operating in branches. So we had branches all over the regions, as you stated. But after COVID, we have restructured, and now we operate from one branch, which is located at Osu, Danko Circle, around Bridge area. Yes. So we have our footprint all over Ghana. We have our own staff all over the region, the country. Wherever you are, we are there for you. You just need to call us on our customer experience center lines, and then we'll come to you.
In today's world of digitization, some say digitalization, is there an app maybe where people who are also tech savvy will take advantage of, apart from calling you? Is there another channel that people can reach you, people who are
No,
very
please.
busy and on the road?
No, please.
How
We
soon,
do
how
not.
soon should we expect such an intervention?
Okay. But for now, we do
Yeah.
not transact business online.
Okay.
Yes. So it is through the call, the phone numbers.
Through the phone numbers.
Yes, for now.
Wow. Interesting. And is a phone number exclusive to every region, or it is it all comes to the headquarters here in Accra?
Yes, please. It's nationwide.
It's nationwide. Oh, okay, great. We'd like you to put across again the phone lines, which is very, very important. People are waiting to just dial it. And so take it easy with them now. And then let's hear the phone numbers, which is the most important part of this conversation, if you ask me.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you can contact our customer experience center on 0302 200 390, 0302 200 390, or 059 69 20 833, 059 69 200 833.
And when we say bills microcredit, what do you say?
We finance your needs.
Financing your needs. Thank you very much. And visibility? Are we going to have regional launches from region to region?
Yes, so there is a lot of things
Activities?
lined up for the celebration. That's the 15 years anniversary. And so we have even started rewarding our loyal customers.
Oh, wow.
These are customers who have complied with the terms and conditions pertaining to our loans. Okay, and they have also done business with us for the past 15 years. So it's a specific criteria we are using to write off such people's loan off for them. So for instance, if you have been with us and due to some circumstance beyond your control, you are not able to pay off all your loan and you are left with some substantial amount, we look at how well you have transacted business with us, and then based on that, the committee will select you for your loan to be written off. Aside that, we are also going to reward our dedicated and committed employees who have been with us for all these years. I mean,
As for that, I can trust your boss. I can trust it because
I know.
every end of year, I mean, it's a spectacle. Some of us watch live on Instagram. Hey, so as for that, I can trust, and especially customer, reward. Again, for those who have stayed with you all through the 15 years,
Exactly.
through thick and thin, and those who have also complied with terms and conditions, and are outstanding workers. Please, let's know the date. We are family now. I want to attend that party. I want to attend that
Sure,
event.
we'll give you a special invitation.
Please do.
In addition to that, there are also going to be a series of CSR in the various communities, and
Okay.
we'll be focusing on health and education to bring some goodies to the society at
Oh,
large.
great. So Bill's microcredit CSR is health and education.
Yes,
In
for
the
that
area of health and
Yes.
education, and it's going to be part of the
15 years anniversary.
is it a month-long celebration? Is it a year-long celebration? Or
We'll communicate
you communicate that, of course, through us, the rest of the world is
Yes.
going to hear about that. If any other thing is that we need to mention and we haven't, please, you can just quickly add
Okay,
it.
so our final words to your listeners is that quick credit and investment microcredit is now Bill's microcredit.
Yes.
And at Bills, we say financing your needs. So when it comes to your money
Yeah.
or financing your needs, look no elsewhere than Bills
Bills.
microcredit.
Bills.
And
the
we
office is
came
right
up
here.
with the name Bills because it aligns with the new model we are rolling up. Because what do? We give money. And when you have money, you can
Pay
pay
your
all
bills.
your finances, which includes your bills.
Bills. It's not
Hence
easy.
the name Bills.
I tell you, Ghanaians need you now more than ever. And we are happy that you have come up with such an incredible idea. And I can imagine how your office is flooded daily, And when you see that, we can come and give you some stress, but please know that we need you now more than ever. And we are excited to have you as Bill's microcredit in these critical times. Go ahead.
So we want your cherished listeners to be aware of scam. We have a lot of, we are saying they should be scam alert. Yes, with regards to our repayment, we only have 2 USD code we use for the repayment.
Okay.
Like my colleague said, we don't do business
Online.
But when it comes to the repayment, we use the USD code. And the USD code is *779#. *779#.
And then you follow the rest.
Yes. Then you follow the rest. Then the other one is *928*222#. *928#*22#.
That is awesome. I am now excited more than ever because there's a USD code that you can use for the repayment. Some people can be very busy, and so if this is available, repaying should be easy as well. We'll say a big thank you.
Yes.
I am sure as part of the 50th anniversary, there are names to mention, some of the favorite people in the office and all that who may be listening. Can we just start a shout out now?
Yes.
It's all for you.
So we want to throw a big shout out to our founder, Mr. Richard Nyamakwe, and then to our CEO, Romeo Rich Lavseshi, who has been in the big seat and chairing everything or operating to see that everything goes on smoothly as far as our 15 years anniversary is concerned. And to the top management team, we say shout out to you all for your good work and support to the various strategies that you have enrolled up. Thank you.
Mr. Aggor.
Yes, sir.
I know you have some people who would say, yeah, you went there, you didn't give me shout out. They'll roast you, please. They're listening.
I would like to say, first of all, I would like to say a very big thank you to all our clients who have been with us for the past 15 years, because without them, we wouldn't be able to make it this far. And also a very big thank you to all my superiors out there who are watching. I'd like to say thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. And then we are looking forward to celebrating our 15-year anniversary with you all.
We cannot wait. Abby.
Yes. And to our hardworking employees. I mean, we can't come far without you guys. And so we say thank you so much for your support, and we appreciate your dedication and commitment to this goal. Thank you very much.
We are also very, very grateful that you trust us, that we can be business partners, and we will carry the messages. Anytime there's an update, just let us know. We're going to inform our listeners. They love it here on Starr 103.5. And we are grateful again to be in business. This partnership is going to travel long, and I know it's going to bring productivity. On behalf of EIB Network, Starr FM, and all our affiliates across Ghana, and this show in particular, the Starr Drive, we also say thank you so much to your top management, right down to the staff. We appreciate your partnership, and we will chat along road together. Thank you so much. Bill's Microcredit, financing your needs.
Thank you so much for having us.
We want to do a special for you, even though I know you guys have been jamming for a long time. We'll do another special for all of you, especially for the 15th anniversary. We want to celebrate with you, so we'll wait here for our invitation. But before that, let's get into it. Let's